Hello, my name is Mircea and this is Cowboy Rocket. Let's boot it up. Welcome to Cowboy Rocket. I'll first demo you the game real quick. Play as ADR. My name is not Andrei, but a friend of mine, actually my brother, played last time. You get an animation and some info on the screen. Oh, I just took damage from an enemy. Those are my lives, the guns, 3 guns, 3 lives. I'm on level 1, there's maximum of 5 levels. There's 63 wells on the wall, 4 points. I have 4 points. My name. I lose points every second that passes, so I better start, killing balls and enemies. I get more points by killing an enemy. And I also get more points if I'm using exploding bullets. So yeah, this is the game. You have to destroy all the walls, maybe find the power up, and also kill the enemies. And don't die. If you die, you get sent back to the main menu. Whereas when you level up, you get a level up screen, and the next level has more walls and more enemies, and also harder enemies. There's four types of enemies. Oh, this is the power up. So as you can see, I now have exploding bullets. I can take damage from them, as you saw just now. If I stand too close to them when they explode, but I can also get out of the way very fast. But you need to be skilled to do that. So yeah, this is the game. You get level up, and on this level you get more enemies and more walls. Everything is generated randomly, but the enemies do have a fixed spot in which they spawn. Okay, this is the game. Yeah, I'll just commit suicide and show you all the other features. So if I just shoot the rocket into nearby walls, I get killed, and there's a message that says you died. If you actually manage to defeat all the enemies on level 5, your message would be something like congratulations. So these are all your points on your the level you reached, and there's your points again. Current status dead, otherwise it would display your lives, and level 2. There's also a message informing you that you're not in the top, as in you didn't make the high scores. Those are our high scores. Number 1 is Mirk, ANDR and ANDR. I'm Mircea, this is Andrei, whatever. 7.0 for the max points. In settings you get the matrix brightness, which you can control by holding left on the joystick. Hit down. When you go over the limit, it goes to the minimum. So yeah, this controls the matrix brightness. Okay, this controls the LCD. This is the LCD contrast. Maybe you don't want it that high. Yeah, I think the matrix brightness affects the LCD contrast, which makes sense because it draws more voltage. Yeah, I think that's the explanation. It's gotta be, yeah. Anyway, you can get the contrast down if the fact that you draw more voltage in the matrix affects your contrast. You can tweak everything from here. You can change your name. Let's go for fun. Fun for a fun game. Fun name for a fun game. Fun. You also get a space, so if you want to shorten your name, you are allowed. So this is my name, Fun. This affects the sounds. Let's toggle them. As you can see, now the sounds are off, but leave them on. Reset scores. I can reset the scores. Are you sure? Yes, I am. Positive. Delete my data. Data deleted. Simple scaffold. This is the difficulty. You can either go for Cowboy difficulty, which is the hardest, mid, or easy. Let's go for Cowboy. If you pick Cowboy, you get less lives, but you can earn the most amount of points. So we're back to matrix brightness. Going back, we actually let's increase the contrast so you can see better. How to play? Use the joystick to move and blue button to shoot, and the text below is shoot the enemies, walls, and don't die. That's good advice. Again, pressing back gets you back, learn more. Same kind of message. Hi, I'm Mircha, this is Cowboy Rocket. And below that is the GitHub link, github.com/mirchamihail/Cowboy Rocket. You can start game as I showed you before, and there is play as fun. We just set it as fun. You can go, or you can go back and change your name, but this is pretty much it. If you play again, you see there's 2 guns, some enemies. You can go ahead and kill them. I just took I took double amount of damage, one from the enemy and one from my own rocket, so I died. And once again, 60 points, level 1. There's also a quirk that you generate some walls, and then over those walls you spawn enemies in the player, and you clear the area around the player, and the player gets points when the walls are deleted around him. So I don't think it's such a big deal, because he can't get more than, I don't know, 10 to 15 points in the max. As you could see, I got to 700. I think that's just RNG. But yeah, that explains the fact that I didn't start my score at 0. So yeah, I think it's a feature. I mean, there's a set amount of walls, and if by luck you fall on those walls, you spawn on them, it makes sense for me to add the points to the player. If you can imagine dropping in an enemy's lair, and by dropping in you kill some of their eggs or destroy their lair, part of their lair, you should be rewarded for that, even that is just your luck, the fact that you're lucky enough to get in there. So yeah, this is the level, this is the game. Thanks for watching.